In today's episode of Let's Talk About Drones, we'll be comparing a $100 drone to a $1,000 drone. To make the best comparison, I've chosen what I believe to be the best drones at each price point. So for the $100 entry, we have the Parrot Mambo, and for the $1,000 entry, we have the DJI Mavic Pro. Let's start with the similarities. Both of these drones can be controlled by a remote or through the smartphone app. Both of the drones have optical sensors to stabilize them, and both of them have ultrasonic sensors to keep their distance above the ground. The Mambo is a unique little drone. Included in the box are these propeller guards, which allow for safe indoor flight. The stabilization sensors make this very easy to fly and my personal choice for any beginner. Extra parts like propellers, smart blocks, and batteries are quite inexpensive, and speaking of batteries, charge time is quick, around half an hour. The Mavic boasts a list of pretty incredible features too. New dual-band radio technology allows for over 4 miles of range. The Mavic has long flight times too, around 27 minutes, and unlike the Mambo, the remote holds the phone for easy video streaming. The 12 megapixel camera captures 4K at 30 frames, 1080 at 60 frames, and slow motion 720 at 120 frames a second. This video comes out nice and smooth thanks to the 3-axis gimbal stabilization. To top it all off, object tracking and intelligent flight modes capture professional quality cinematic shots. Before we get into the differences between these two drones, what do you guys think? Should we go fly them? The Mambo is a really fancy toy. Parrot knows that many Mambo owners are first-time flyers, and lots of development goes into making the drone fun and rewarding to fly. The Mavic is more of an explorer's tool. It focuses on photography, range, and flight time. This gives the pilot the ability to go farther, longer, and capture nature in all of its beauty. It's hard to pick out flaws in a platform designed so well, but in the voice of competitiveness, I'll say extra parts are expensive. $90 a battery, $20 a set of props, and cases start around $70. The Mavic requires FAA registration, and it only has forward obstacle avoidance, not omnidirectional obstacle avoidance like in the Phantom 4, and the obstacle avoidance does not work in sport mode. The Mambo has good flight time, around 9 minutes, but it's greatly affected by having any of the attachments or propeller guards installed. In this configuration, I lost over 3 minutes of flight time. No phone holder in the remote makes FPV flight tough. The included goggles are cool but not always ideal to wear when flying. In the event of a crash, the propellers can easily bend, and I'm not sure why extras are not included. These two drones are pretty incredible. Yes, they are designed for different applications, but they are the best at what they do. If you've made it to this part of the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you like drones, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment on what you would want to see next. Thanks for watching.